say we're going to do teardown. Not teardown. Everybody. Oh yeah. Now I just went into more ideas. Don't say anything about that. Forget that. That never happened. No, I've got a lot of muds. Banana bomb. That doesn't work. We are going to go to the Apple store. So let's go. Don't really Get this bit. There we go. No. Teardown is not working. Daddy. Oh yes. Yes. Oh. Was that just glitching out? Okay. What was glitching out? That's glitching out. Something's definitely glitching out. And I don't like it. I do know what's glitching out. This person hasn't subscribed, which you should do right now, so this guy doesn't die. Did you? I don't think so. Now let me just check. Yep, a little bit of damage. Not really. His head just exploded, that's it. Oh, it's on, bro. About to die even more. And you, my good friend. I just noticed I'm robbing these people, like, I don't even know who I am. And yet I'm just like doing this. And doing that. Right, no one needs to see this. We can just chuck it up in the window. Okay. I know a way to get, and it's definitely not a way to kill people. Oh yeah. It is. It is a way. Kaplow. Hello, friend. I'm making the jump. Was that so impressive? You don't think it was impressive? You get thrown over here if you don't die from this. Yep, he broke his spine. To the ground. Again with the head. Okay. This time. Yep. type of monster have I created? I've created a moving hand. I haven't really done any damage to the other bits of the shop, so let's just do that. By doing that, who cares? I don't know. It's definitely getting lucky. No. I don't know how to spell IKEA. How do you spell IKEA? I don't have the IKEA mod, but Fudgy has Fudgy. No one heard of it? Great, no one heard of Fudgy. That means everyone's a noob. Noob. Definitely wasn't me. Definitely wasn't me. Everyone can explain why that happened. That'd be good. Do not. Something keeps on glitching and I do not like it. Also, I just want the white jaw. Daddy. Dad. I don't know what it is.